Doctors, including locums, can be rated, tracked or blacklisted in Intel SIS. The ratings and blacklist status can be shared with all clinics using Intel SIS. Let's see how doctors/locums can be rated. Go to the collection page. For the duration or shift that the doctor is working, doctor verification and optionally, rating should be done once. This should be done when the first patient is seen and finalized by the doctor. The rating can be changed anytime after that. For locums, they can log in with the login ID locum. The password can be set by the clinic administrator. These details must be filled up correctly by the locum, and will be shown for every patient in the collection page, as the attending doctor. If these details were wrongly filled, the locum has to log out and re-log in to fill up the correct details. Note that doctor verification, especially locums, is very important to ensure only qualified doctors practice in your facility and to protect the practice legally. For every patient, the doctor's name will be shown like this. Click to see details. The most important details to verify are the doctor's real name, NRIC number, ID, and the MMC No. For locums, if any of these is incorrect, please request the locum to log out, re-log in and enter the correct details. If the name, NRIC and MMC have been verified, click the word doctor to acknowledge that verification has been done. Optionally, the image of the NRIC can be uploaded by clicking this icon. If Intel SIS Assist app is used, take the photo on your mobile and click Media. The image can also be uploaded from this computer. Photos taken in the Intel SIS Assist app will be available here. Click Select to choose the photo. This shows that the photo of the NRIC has been successfully saved. Optionally, the image of the MMC registration can be uploaded by clicking this icon. The image can be taken from the Intel SIS Assist app or uploaded from this computer. Let's select an image file from this computer to upload. Once the image file is selected, click Upload. The saved images can be viewed or deleted by clicking these icons. After the verification, click this icon to open the rating box. Rate this doctor accordingly, optional. If the doctor is late for work, tick Late. Enter remarks if required and click Save. To view, edit or to delete the ratings or remarks, click this icon again. Change accordingly and click Edit to save. To delete, click Delete. Doctors/locums that have been verified will be automatically listed under Doctors' Credentials and Locums Rating. Let's go to the Reports page. All doctors including locums details will be listed under Doctors' Credentials. In this section, doctors with login IDs will be listed. Locums, doctors that logged in with the login ID locum, will be listed in this Locums section. Doctors that have been verified, as in the collection page, will have this green verification box. This is the user that performed the verification and the verification date and time. M indicates that image for MMC number has been saved, and I indicates that image for IC has been saved. Click on I or M to view the image saved. If the doctor/locum has not been verified, it will be indicated with this No Verification indicator. Now let's go to Locums Rating. Locums that have been verified will be listed here. This column lists the verification documents, if uploaded in the collection page. This column lists the names of the locums. When the same locum enters his / her name with variations, they are listed here. This can happen as locums self-enter their names upon login. If the same locum goes by another name, the name can be manually added here by clicking this icon. If the names listed here are not the locum's real name, the real name can be manually added as well. Enter the locum's name and click Save. Now this locum is identified with the correct name. This locum's other names can be listed by clicking this icon. The locum's other names. This column lists the locum's NRIC numbers. This is the most important detail, as search for locums are best done with NRIC numbers. This column lists the MMC numbers, as entered by the locums upon login. Similar to the locums names, MMC numbers can be added on here. This column lists the average rating for the locums. Click this column to sort from highest to lowest rating or the other way. This column lists the number of times the locums were marked late. This column lists the phone numbers of the locums. Similar to the locums names, phone numbers can be added on here. Locum indicates that this doctor was logged in as locum. The details and ratings of this locum can be made available to all clinics, public, only to the group, or only in the clinic. Click public to change to group. Click group to change to clinic. Click clinic to change to public again. Clicking blacklist will blacklist this locum and will appear in the list of blacklisted locums. This blacklist is shared among all clinics that use IntelSys. Click Show Blacklisted Only to list the blacklisted locums. Blacklisted locums will be shown with this red blacklisted button. To undo blacklisting of the locum, click this button again. Clicking the NRIC number will load the clinics that have verified and rated this doctor. These are the clinics that have verified and rated this locum. These are the names, or variations, that this locum has saved in the clinics upon login as locum. These are the average ratings by the clinics. Locums can also be searched by clicking Search. To search, enter the name, IC number, MMC number or phone number, and the locums list below will be filtered accordingly. To search the central database, click Search Central Database. The search will be done with locum details provided by all participating clinics using IntelSys. To add a locum into this list, click Add New Locum. Enter the details here and click Add New Locum to save. This locum will also be added to the central database unless opted out. By default, all locum ratings and blacklist are shared among all clinics that use IntelSys. The clinic can opt out from sharing these data by clicking Opt Out. The locum's blacklist status can be checked before adding the locum into the doctor's calendar. Before adding a locum, get the NRIC number of the locum and click Locum Check. Enter the IC number and click Check Online. No results indicate that this locum with this IC number is not blacklisted. If the locum with this IC number is blacklisted, the details will be shown like this. The blacklist status can also be checked while entering the locum into the calendar. Enter the IC number here and click Check. If the locum with this IC number is blacklisted, the Ban button will be shown. The OK button indicates that this locum is not on the blacklist. That's it. You're done.